Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get more friend requests on Facebook. So there is no feature or option here which says you can get more friend requests on Facebook. However, I'm going to show you a way or method on how to do that or get more friend requests on Facebook. First, you just have to go to your settings and privacy to be exact. Here you have to scroll down and then look for audience and visibility, and then tap this how people find and contact you. Now you have to make sure that anything here is set to public or everyone. Okay, so who can Facebook suggest your profile based on your phone number or email address? You have to click this possible connections. So as the other options here. So especially this one, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? You have to toggle that one on. After that, go to your friends icon here, and then you can now add anyone, at least 10 people here as much as possible. Once you have added these people, then your profile will be one of their suggested friends. So if one of these people confirm you as their friend, then automatically with the friends and connections with that person, your profile will appear. And that way, people can add you as a friend or follow you. So that's the technique. All you have to do is to add at least 10 or more friends as much as possible, and then wait for these people to add you as their friend or follow you. As you can see here, I have confirmed tons of people because my profile appear as suggested friend. So that's how easy it is. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.